Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the simple personal budget template. We'll start by hiding the top ribbon to have more space. Great. First, let's go into the settings page. It allows you to enter the current year you want your report to run on. Let's go to the income section. This table allows you to enter a list of income categories and their corresponding value per month. Let's enter a new category called rental activity. We'll indicate it generally is paid out on the 5th and enter a value of 400 across the board. Great. Let's move on to the expense section. This is very similar to the income section, but displays expenses rather than incomes. You also have the ability to choose each expense from a full expense category list. Finally, let's go to the dashboard section. The landing page is an overview of both expenses and incomes, indicating in the header the total income, total expenses, total result, which is income minus expenses, and the total saving and investing, which is auto-calculated based on what has been previously inputted. Further down, we have a line chart indicating the total income and total expenses per month. Below that, a category table lists all expenses category and the total amount spent, as well as the percentage each category represents over the total expenses. We then have a result line chart indicating the result per month, and finally, the saving and investing line chart that visualizes the savings per month. Moving on to the expenses per category. This combines all expenses that were listed previously into main categories and displays here the expenses per month. Finally, the expenses by subcategory. This is a full list of all expenses grouped by main categories and detailed month by month with, at the end, a total row indicating the total expenses. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about our simple personal budget template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!